welcome back to 101.5 Terrible Sounds Radio. Playing those sounds you know you hate to hear. My name is Cheeto, and with me as always is the Bun.
Oh, that last sound you heard was the classic baby crying on a plane. Coming in at number 3 on our top 10 worst sounds ever made.
Let's do a quick recap, see what terrible, awful sounds we've heard already. Starting off at number 10, we had a rush hour traffic jam. Followed by number 9, car alarm in the middle of the night.
Coming in at number 8, we've got that World Cup fave, the Vuvuzela. Followed by its younger brother, pure air horn.
And then coming in at number 6, we've got a car crashing into a truck full of pigs, pigs, pigs. And starting off the top 5 countdown, worst sounds, number 5, bit of a surprise this year, it's your parents reaching orgasm at the same time.
After that, we had number 4, that schoolyard classic, nails on a chalkboard. Let's open up the phone lines to our caller. We got Bruce on the line taking a guess at number 1 worst sound ever. Bruce?
Hey guys, it's Bruce. Great to be on. I'm a long-time listener, first-time caller to anyone. I just learned how to use the phone.
Oh, hey Bruce, congrats. That's great, and thanks for making us your big first call. Let me ask you, what do you think is going to be the number 1 most terrible sound, Bruce?
Oh, I think it's going to be the dentist drill, Cheeto. That's the worst sound.
Very bad sound.
No doubt that's a terrible sound there, Bruce, but you're going to have to stick around to find out after this commercial break.
Hey you, listening on the radio. Do you love the man cave in the morning with Cheeto and Buns? Do you love $150? Then now's your chance. Record and send in your most terrible sound, and you could win the big money in Cheeto and the Buns' big homegrown terrible sounds contest. Send us your most terrible sound, and we could be sending you $150. That doesn't sound too terrible, does it?
And welcome back to the Man Cave Show with Cheeto and the Bun. I gotta tell you, Bun, I am very pumped to find out what is going to be the number 2 worst sound.
Oh, speaking of number 2, Cheeto, this next sound makes me eat enough apples that my shit is weird. That's right. I hate this sound so much I'll eat those apples. That's right, it's the dentist drill. Ooh.
That is truly a terrible sound.
It's hard to imagine a worse one, but there must be. That's only number 2.
There must be, and it's going to be coming up, which is going to be the Man Cave in the Morning top number 1 awful sound here on 101.5. But it's been a long wait. Everyone is pumped. Let's find out what is the number 1 worst sound. Okay, Nickelback with a Venezuela in the background, car alarm, baby scratching on the nails on the chalkboard, all mixed into one. That is a terrible sound.
Yuck!
Oh boy, what's that? Oh, that's just plain Nickelback. You say so, I don't know.
It's all terrible.
Yeah.
That's all the time we have here at the Man Cave in the Morning Show. Tune in tomorrow for our homegrown terrible sound competition. I'm the Bun.
And coming up Thursday, we've got Jay Leno clips all day. It's all going to be terrible, all here on Terrible Sounds 101.5, playing those sounds you know you hate to hear.